Hello and welcome to Moja for Industry. I am Subjit Roy, reporting from IMTEX 2025, South and Southeast Asia's largest exhibition on machine tool and manufacturing technology. So in this exclusive episode of Movers and Makers, we are going to take you to the stall of Dux Instruments Private Limited. So they are one of the key solutions providers in these machine tools and manufacturing segments in for this spectrum.
Thanks to you, it's our pleasure. And as far as IMTEX is concerned, we are here from the last 7 to 8 years. And as far as 2025 IMTEX is concerned, we are expecting huge business because this time number of exhibitors are increased. Right now more than 3,500 exhibitors are there, and we are expecting some 1 lakh visitors to be here in this IMTEX.
So could you tell us more about the expertise of Dux Instruments, what all exactly you do?
Dux was started by me in 2003 from scratch. We started from these small instruments. We were in calibration, we were in servicing. Then from 2007 we started manufacturing these testing instruments. All these testing instruments are being used in metal industries for their quality checking. Today we are catering nearly 800 industries pan India. We are doing exports also. Start from 5 lakhs onwards, and 5 lakh onwards machine is giving the same quality as 1 crore machine. That's the specialty of this machine, and we are planning to open our offices in all major industrial cities.
This particular industry where we were operating is hugely crowded by multinational companies. So what makes you different or from the competitions, especially from the MNCs?
See, our USP is after sales services. I told you earlier that our journey started from services and calibration. Whatever I have seen in my journey that people focus on sales only. They used to sell machines, but when it comes after sales services, people used to charge like 2 lakhs to service a machine. And our USP is like we give these services in very affordable prices, like 10,000 rupees for 1 year calibration and services. So basically we are stand out in services from other companies, MNC, foreign brands also, like Contrelex Germany for portable spectrometers. Then we are having active Russian spectrometers, tabletop ones, and we are right now focusing on automation. Latest technologies we are incorporating in our machines. So as on today, we are as good as any foreign or European brand. Our vision is like that: very small scale industries, medium scale industries should take all these testing instruments. Earlier there was a big issue, these instruments very costly. People used to import from Germany or from Japan. Prices were like for 1 crore for one machine. Right now the prices start from 5 lakhs onwards, and right now we are having all solutions for these testing instruments, whether they are material testing, whether they are chemical testing, whether they are metrology testing. All these ranges we have catered. And as far as quality is concerned, our equipments are as good as European machines and Japanese machines, and they are as per international standards. And Dux is now NABL accredited also, so we are catering all those NABL certifications also to our existing customers.
Starting from a supplier to a manufacturer, the journey of Dux Instruments is very fascinating under your leadership. So what's next? Where do you wish to reach in the years to come?
Actually, Dux journey was started from scratch. I told you that from 8,000 rupees I started this Dux, and right now our turnover is like nearly 30 crores. And right now we are having offices at Pune, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Rajkot. We are having